Well, hey friends, it's Emily at Hopscotch Interactive, and I'm here today with an unboxing of something that I bought off of a promotion, a Kickstarter, and it is from Looking Glass, who we know and already love for all of their different holographic displays, but now they have this new one called Looking Glass Go, and it is something that I backed on Kickstarter, a spatial display for holographic memories. So I'm going to open it up, check it out, and let you know what I think. Here we go. Okay, friends, here we go. This is the Looking Glass spatial display for our holographic memories, and I'm going to go ahead and open this up for us now. Let's see if I can get it open. The first test of anybody's, purchases is, can you get the box open? So I'm very excited about this. I bought this on the Kickstarter a while ago, and let's see, can I zoom out? There we go. Okay, friends, I have my box open from Looking Glass, a spatial display for holographic memories. I'm very excited about this. Let's slide it open. I wasn't sure when this was going to come. Oh, here's the tape. And let's see, just open this way. Looks like it does. I love the box. I feel like this is just really, really nice. To the future, here we go. Okay, there we are going. We're gonna open that up, and we have some hologram stickers. I love stickers. I've always loved stickers. And here's a preview of what's inside. And let's see, to get you started, here is where you log on. And then you need to scan the QR code to upload your very first image. So that's gonna be great. I'm imagining that it's got some instructions for me here, but I'm just gonna pull it out. I think that's it for the box. Let's see, anything else in here that I need? Maybe, it feels like there's something inside. Let's see, there we go. Obviously that's the main deal. And okay, so this is a charger. And what else is in here? Oh, of course, a little wipe. And reading material. And that's it. That's the box. So to the future. And it says 1, plug in, scan to get started, power on. 2, power on. Okay, so it needs to be plugged in. I can do that, no problem. Can you guys see that? There we go. Let's pull this off, scan to get started. I'm not gonna do that. Number 2, power on. Purple indicator light, love that. So then you know that you're supposed to press that. Let's move that out of the way. Oh my God, look how pretty. Well, I can tell that it does have some depth already. Cool, cool, cool. Does it go all the way flat? It does, okay. But this is better. Why does it feel like I'm loading a Game Boy? Game Boy Color 2024. Oh, well, hello, Prism. You look good. That's neat. I like that. Okay, Looking Glass Factory. Awesome. Man, I love those holograms. This is quite cool, friends, that you have, I don't know if you can see the effect, the 3D effect, but it is definitely there. And I have depth on my photos. And it actually, you know what? It looks better than my Loom pad. It's more, there's more depth here. Oh my God, my son is gonna lose his mind. He's gonna love this. I can't wait for him to bring it into school and show it to people. Aww. Oh, looks like it can convert even old photos. Now we're talking. Man, AI is the best. At least at stuff like this. And then 3D photos of a baby. Stop. Oh my God, it's so cute. That's exactly why we're here, folks. That guy, good job. I'm sure you're one of the creators. So let's see what happens after we cycle through everybody else's photos. Or maybe that's all that's happening. So we're just going to sit here and look at other people's photos. Maybe? Can I tap through them? Can I swipe through them? Wow. Cool. That's somebody has done one of their nerfs, one of their splats. Little nod to these blue and red glasses from the old days in the movie theater. Aww. Pets. Yeah, 3D pets. That'll be big. The eyes of the animal actually even look like they're moving a little bit. It's pretty crazy. Okay, so this is going to be fun because we can show our NFTs off this way, right? Okay, so we're going to do that later. But this is pretty sexy. This is really cool. And you can see through the back. No SD card slot, but we do have the forward and the play. So maybe I can fast forward through all the images. Okay, that's it. That's the beginning. So it's just coming with all of this. I can go backwards, forwards, and play. That's what it does. It's not a phone. It's literally just a holographic display, little monitor, digital photo album that you can carry with you to show off your 3D photos. So Looking Glass Factory, I don't remember how much I paid for you. Maybe $300, $299, but that was with backing the Kickstarter and getting this little additional piece, I think, that comes with it. I wanted to get the clear. I thought that would be cool. And next thing is going to be getting photos or making photos. So I'm going to have to learn what I can do with this, and we'll take it from there. All right. That was fun unboxing. I liked being able to open it right up and being able to jump right into the content and check it out. So I'll come back to this later. Thanks, guys.